I take you now to Long Island, New York, and CBS News' New York reporter Jennifer McLogan. Jennifer, what can you tell us about the flooding where you are?
Lana, good afternoon to you and to our CBS viewers. We are on Long Island, comprised of two counties, Nassau and Suffolk. You may know that Jones Beach is out here, one of the most popular in the world. That got flooded. We are on the South Shore in a town called Lindenhurst in Suffolk County, a known flooded area. It went from maybe hip high, thigh high, knee high, and now we're down to about ankle high here after a relentless high tide hit us this morning. We're seeing people around us pumping out basements and kind of stranded in their houses still, even though high tide was at 10 a.m. Earlier today, we were in Freeport, that's in Nassau County. There's a huge business shop there called the Nautical Mile, and it was under many feet of water. People did not expect this just from the 2 to 4 inches of rain that we got, but really made a harrowing mess for a lot of people. In both counties today, about 4,000 families are still without power. We got a whole lot of relentless gusting winds overnight.
Glad to see those waters starting to recede, especially as more rain is predicted. Jennifer McLogan, thank you.
Thank you, Lana.
Well, that storm system also brought tornadoes to the Florida Panhandle, damaging homes and knocking out power for tens of thousands in the state. The National Weather Service is inspecting for tornado damage in other parts of the South, where the storms killed at least 4 people. CBS News correspondent Dave Malkoff joins us now from Panama City, Florida. Dave, I've been following your reporting. There have been some incredible images that you've brought to us. What are you seeing right now?
Well, Lana, we've been following what you've been doing up there in New Jersey as well. Bear with us. We've got an active medical situation going on right now. This lady, and this is why tornado recovery is no joke. This lady back here suffered some kind of incident with low blood pressure, not being able to breathe. She was actually trying to pull stuff out of her apartment from up there, and then all of a sudden, you know, the blood pressure goes down. You can't get air in. It's really, really tough. I saw her doing that, so I ran over to Bay County Engine 3 over here for EMS. I said, we need some medical attention right now. They were able to pull her out of here, assess her, pull the ambulance across the bridge, which is not very easy to do because there's all these down power lines here, and you have to get the ambulance through this area and go very slow so you're not driving over those power lines. What happens in these disasters is maybe we get 5 people who are injured during the tornado itself, and that's what happened in this one. But after the tornado, that's when you get actually more injuries, Lana, than you have during the tornado. You have people going through their apartments. You have people who step on nails. Right. There's very sharp edges of things like these things here, and you can cut yourself, and you can also be very hurt just by standing here in the sun. She went through Hurricane Michael in this apartment complex. It's been 5 years since then. This apartment complex wasn't touched during Hurricane Michael, but that building back there, it was destroyed, and now it is again, and now we have somebody going to the hospital, another transport on top of the 5, so that's at least 6 people who are transported from here. Just bear with us, this is what we're doing.
Right.
We're in it with everybody else and trying to find out what's going to happen in the next coming days, months, and years for the folks who have gone through this devastating rash of tornadoes.
You raise such a good point that so often people become injured after the storm has passed through. So people think that they're in the clear, but then there are heart attacks, there are injuries. Are there recovery resources being stretched thin right now? Is there sufficient aid getting to people who need it? I'm so glad to see that first responders were able to get to her and that she's now being transported to get some help.
Yeah, it's really tough. I mean, these line crews here, they're from West Palm Beach, and they've come from southern Florida to here. They have about 15 on this one team of contractors for FPL. But if you look through here, you can imagine, if this isn't something people normally do, going through this type of disaster and trying to pull things out with razor sharp glass like this. It's really dangerous for anybody to go through that. That's why it's really great to have the rescue crews right here. The Battalion Chief Gilmore with us, and right around the corner. All I had to do was run down there and say we need medical attention. They came right over here. So that's why we need to have all the first responders right here on scene. And it is an ongoing problem. The tornado has passed, but the danger is still here.
Absolutely. Well, please thank all those first responders. Dave Malkoff, appreciate you.
Thanks, Alana.